Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video of the ZOTAC Geforce GTX 1650 OC 4GB graphics card. And this is the front side of the box, and we can see some amount of information, mainly the fact that this is slightly overclocked graphics card, as evidenced by the OC edition mentioned at the top. Then it has 4GB of video memory, and you can use ZOTAC's Firestorm utility to control elements of the graphics card's features. Now, flipping the box around, we can see some additional information, that the fact that this happens to be a super compact graphics card and it fits 99% of the systems as per ZOTAC. Then we have mention of the Firestorm utility again, which is a software from ZOTAC that allows you to control speed of the fans on the graphics card as well as the speed of the actual GPU in the graphics card. Then you have some elements of NVIDIA's GeForce Experience, which is a software from NVIDIA. You can initiate NVIDIA highlights in your games, which automatically records your best moments within video games. Then you have NVIDIA Ansel, which is photography mode within games that support it. Then there's the fact that NVIDIA releases game-ready drivers at the onset of new game launches. Then you have minimum requirements of the graphics card mentioned, which is a 300 watt or greater system power supply, 1.5 GB of hard disk space, 4 GB system memory, and Microsoft Windows 10 64-bit April edition, Windows 7 64-bit, or Linux 64-bit. And obviously, because this is a graphics card, it takes up an X16 PCIe slot, you need that. You also have specifications mentioned, which we've already gone through. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. The box opens up from the top, and we have a little package in front of us. This contains some pamphlets regarding some of the other product lines that ZOTAC has, namely the mech gaming systems, as well as the Z-Box, which is a mini PC brand. Then there's a quick installation guide, followed by a little note regarding where you can get the latest drivers, which is from the GeForce website. There's also a little sticker for ZOTAC Gaming. You can place this anywhere you want. And lastly, there's the graphics card, which comes in an anti-static bag. There you go. It's a single fan graphics card, no power plugs, and as mentioned on the box, it is very compact and fits 99% of all systems out there. So that's it for this particular unboxing of the ZOTAC GTX 1650 OC 4GB graphics card. Thank you for watching.